A new trading week awaits right here on Wall Street, and after a week that saw lots of ups and downs, plenty of moves in both directions, a huge smoke cloud over the Big Apple, well, investors are wondering if we will see more of the same market action as the skies clear on Wall Street. Last week, heading into Friday's market action, the S&P 500 up 0.4%, on track for its fourth straight weekly gain. It would also mark the indice's longest weekly winning streak since August. The Nasdaq up about 0.1%, on pace for its seventh straight one-week advance, which would be its longest streak of gains since November 2019, and the Dow last poised for a 0.4% advance on the week. Meanwhile, a new week ahead awaits right here on Wall Street, and there is a lot of data due out that could move the markets in many directions, that of which includes several key interest rate decisions. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get this report started and take a look at what will likely move the markets in the week ahead. Now, Monday kicks off on a quiet note with the release of both 3-month and 6-month bill auctions out of the United States. So it's on Tuesday that we see a pickup in action. First, in the United Kingdom, April 3 MILO unemployment due out, expectations calling for a read of 4%, while consumer prices dominate the headlines. First, German May harmonized consumer prices due out, expectations call for a read of 6.3% year over year, while in the United States, consumer price index excluding food and energy expected at 5.6%. Wednesday sees us back in the UK with British manufacturing and industrial production reads for the month of May. Industrial production and manufacturing production both expected at negative 0.1% month over month. But most focus will be on the U.S. Federal Reserve and its interest rate decision, a rate that's expected to remain unchanged, 5.25%. Thursday sees us in Australia with the May unemployment rate due out. Expectations call for a read of 3.7%, while Chinese retail sales for the month of May also due. Expectations calling for a read of 13.9% year over year. While the interest rate decisions, they continue to come out, this time out of the European Central Bank. Expectations for the rate, 3.5% from 3.25%. While back here in the U.S., May retail sales due out, expecting a read of 0.1% month over month. And Friday, we start off with more interest rate decisions, this time out of the Bank of Japan, a rate that is expected to remain at negative 0.1%. While here in the U.S., preliminary Michigan consumer sentiment for the month of June is due out, expectations calling for a read of 56.6. Meanwhile, keep an eye on geopolitics and more on analyst upgrades and downgrades as the week progresses. They have been market movers as of late. And until next week, reporting live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Swinney for ICF.